everyone, welcome back to OdinSchool's YouTube channel. Here's a quick breakdown on how to crack the senior data analyst role at Zypp Electric. From skills to interview prep, we have got it all covered. Okay, pop quiz. So, what's green, fully electric, and powers thousands of deliveries across India sustainably? Yeah, it's Zypp Electric. They are not the ones delivering your groceries or gadgets directly, but their smart EV fleet is what makes those deliveries faster, cheaper, and pollution free. So here's what makes Zypp stand out. Number one, it is an EV as a service pioneer. They lease electric scooters to delivery partners across industries, think e commerce, food, grocery, pharma, etc. And the other thing is, they are fully IoT plus AI enabled. Their scooters are smart, they track location, battery health is good, delivery status, and you can name it anything. And also, one of the most important thing about Zypp is they have big partnerships from Zomato to Amazon. They're the silent force behind last mile logistics for India's biggest platforms. So here's the deal. They're hiring for a senior data analyst in Gurugram. This is a full-time role with a strong compensation range of 16 to 18 lakhs per annum. But this isn't an entry-level job. You will need 3 to 5 years of solid experience, but what really matters is your ability to solve problems and turn data into decisions. So what does Zip Electric expect from a senior data analyst? This isn't just about running queries or building dashboards. They want someone who can own data end to end, from extraction to insights to action. You need deep hands on skills in SQL, Python, and Power BI. They're looking for someone who can work across teams, challenge assumptions with data, and influence high stake decisions. And communication isn't optional here, it's critical. If you can lead with data, connect the dots, and drive impact, not just reports. That's the kind of senior analyst they are looking for. So, what exactly will you be driving in this role? First, strategic analysis. You won't just look at data, you will design end to end analysis strategies that uncover insights leadership can act on it. Next, data interpretation. You will work with complex multi source datasets and make sense of them to guide real business decisions. Then, insight generation. You are expected to spot patterns, forecast trends, and translate raw data into actions that improve operations. And of course, reporting and visualization. You will build executive level dashboards and reports that don't just look good, they drive clarity and alignment across teams. Finally, database optimization. You will enhance how data is stored and accessed, ensuring everything runs efficiently, securely, and at scale. This is a role where strategy meets execution, where your insights help steer, and company not just support it. Coming to interview questions, here are three questions that might just show up. First, how did your analysis influence a business decision across departments? Coming to the second one, how would you design an A/B test to improve last mile delivery efficiency? Last and the most important one, so you have got conflicting KPIs across team dashboards. How do you standardize things? These questions test leadership, problem solving, and how well you understand business beyond the backend. All right, senior role means senior preparation. Here are four tips to actually crack this role at Zypp Electric, plus how you can work on each one. Tip number one, don't just talk about what you did, talk about the impact. Instead of saying, I built a dashboard, say, I built a dashboard that helped reduce delivery delays by 15%. Track your outcomes, quantify wherever possible. Add it to your resume, portfolio, and interview stories. Tip number two, take ownership of full projects, not just your piece of the puzzle. Pick a project, maybe customer churn, delivery delays, or sales, and handle it end to end from defining the business question to pulling data, cleaning, analyzing, visualizing, and presenting. Post it as a case study on GitHub. Coming to tip number three, highlight how you worked with tech or product teams. Show examples where you worked with engineers to fix broken data pipelines or collaborated with product teams to define metrics for a new feature launch. If you haven't yet, try replicating this using public datasets and mock stakeholder scenarios. Coming to the last and most important tip, practice solving business problems on the fly. Think like this: delivery time suddenly increased. What could be the reason? Break it down. Look at fleet size, location data, weather, traffic, failed swaps, whatever could impact it. This is exactly the kind of thinking senior analysts are hired for. Practice case studies weekly. So apply these four with the real projects, business context, and outcomes, and you won't just be interview ready, you'll be business ready. And that's a wrap. If you find this helpful, give it a like, share it with the data buddies, and maybe subscribe while you're at it. Cracking this role is all about preparation, clarity, and confidence. You have got the experience, now go turn it into an opportunity. Catch you in the next one. Thank you.